My entire channel is based on unboxing things and I'm still not very good at it. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I'm doing pretty alright myself. I'm in a little bit of a strange mood. I think it's a combination of like excitement but also extreme panic, and that is because I am officially moving into the store tomorrow. We're getting a U-Haul, we're packing up everything and taking it all to the new store. So this whole thing is becoming like very quickly very real, and I'm freaking out just a little bit. My eye was twitching for a solid like 3 days, but I am still super duper excited about it. I definitely want to keep you guys updated on all like the store stuff if you all want to hear about it. I'll leave the store's Instagram down below. There's nothing on it right now, but I will be posting like updates and pictures and that kind of stuff there. But anyway, enough about that. Let's go ahead and get on into the video for today, which, surprise surprise, is gonna be an unboxing. I'm actually going to be recording like a couple videos back to back today because my next couple of days are going to be like a living nightmare. But the very first unboxing I'm going to be doing today is the Parabo unboxing. We have done one of these unboxings before on my channel. I got that lovely cute little picture of goats. It's goats. And today we're going to be doing another one. I don't think goats are going to be involved this time, but who knows? Oh my gosh. Alrighty, so, oh dear. Alrighty, so I have my box right here. It does come in a very lovely outer packaging. We have some succulents happening here on the front. There are also succulents behind me, but those are very fake and from the Dollar Tree. So this did not come in the kind of packaging that I got in my other Parabo box, which I really liked. I liked the little black box with the magnetic flap. I thought it was super cute and actually useful. You could store stuff in it, but this is just a cardboard box. This was sent to me to unbox with you guys by Parabo, but of course I'm going to give you all my honest thoughts and opinions, so let's go ahead and get on into this. Okie dokie, so right on top I am just seeing some paper here. Oh, and there's a lovely little card of a succulent. Oh, okay, I actually thought this was like some like artwork they sent. I guess you could use this as artwork, but it's actually like a little note from Parabo Box. So it says Harmony at top. Yeah, I don't know what at top is or why I said it. So this tells us a little bit about the things in the box, but I don't want to read too far into it because I do want to be surprised. So let's go ahead and look in here. Everything looks super like summery and floral. I hope there's not a plant in here that's either already dead or I have to personally keep alive. All right, there's a lot of things happening in this box and I don't personally know exactly what's going on yet, but I'm gonna see what's in this little plastic bag. All right, so it looks like we have a hexagon. So it looks like we have a little picture of some flowers here in the shape of a hexagon, and everything looks to be fairly in the shape of a hexagon. Next up we have a little panel that looks like this. It's kind of like foamy-ish on the front, and on the back it says Parabo Box. Not 100% sure what this is yet, but we will find out. Oh dear, okay. It does look like there's a plant in here, but it's saying that it is an air plant. And air plants, I think you don't have to do much. This is me realizing I have no idea how to take care of an air plant. Okay, actually there are a fair amount of instructions on the back here. Apparently you are supposed to water air plants, and I didn't know that. Back in the day I had an air plant. His name was Oscar. He was a real cute little guy, and in my ignorance of plants, I thought an air plant just lived from the air and you never had to water an air plant. But apparently that is not the case, and that is why Oscar got very crunchy and died. So there is an air plant in here. I am very excited to have instructions on how to take care of it. I am also excited to see what it looks like. I'm gonna assume it's in this little wrapped up thing right here. Oh, it's so little. Oh, okay, unfortunately my little pot here has a chip in it, but I'm sure I can find a cute little pot like this to replace it with, and inside my air plant's just chilling. Oh, look how cute he is. He's very, very small, but I need to figure out exactly how to water this one. Apparently some of the plants like to be like soaked, like dunked in water, and some of them prefer to be misted. So I'll do a little bit of research on my plant here. He is very, very cute and very, very little. Okay, so there are still several other things in here. Next up we have a leopard print piece of paper with a rock inside. Oh, all right, so this is actually called leopardite, and it says on here that we love the stone's naturally occurring leopard-like spots. That's actually really cool. It also says back here that leopardite helps promote balance. We like to keep it around as a reminder to give and receive forgiveness for yourself and others. So harmonious. Plus it's just dang cute, and it is actually pretty cute, and it does look like leopard spots. It does look pretty cute and spotted. I'll put it back here with my little collection of other rocks. Okie dokie. Next up here we have something in a little drawstring bag with some like other hexagons on it. I guess that is the theme for the month, or the shape theme at least. There is a mysterious brown little envelope here. Stabby. So there are some very sharp little pokey pins in here, and I'm assuming these, oh my gosh, I know what they go to. Alright, at first I wasn't 100% sure what this is, but now I know it's a little like pin board. Okay, that's actually really cute. So there is a little hole in the back here where you can hang it up, and then you can just like pin cute little stuff to it. Okay, what's left in this little drawstring bag is just like a little cute roll of tape. It looks like a tiny duct tape or something. I bet this is that kind of tape you use for like scrapbooking and stuff. Typically they're like little designs on it, or it's super colorful or things like that. So this is just a little roll of that tape, and I got mine in like a shiny silver surface design. Alright, so there is one last thing left in here, and it is the largest item in the box, and that is this wooden hexagon. This is actually a little shelf, I think. There's a little, you know, space to put like a nail. You can hang it up on your wall. This actually hanging up on the wall with the little air plant inside would be super duper cute. So I definitely like this. At first I thought this was like a lid or something for the little shelf here, but no, these are two separate like wall hangings. Alrighty guys, so that was everything in my Parabo box, and I think my favorite items are definitely the hexagonal? Is that even a word? This shelf in the shape of a hexagon. I think this is really cute. I like wooden elements like this. And then I also like the little pin board here. I do kind of wish this background was like in a different color maybe, or design or something like that, but this will come in handy because I did just set up like a new little desk office area, so I can pin like my passwords or something to this. If I don't put my passwords somewhere and write them down and put them where I can see them, I will 100% forget them every time without fail. So let me read on the back here really fast to see if I've missed anything. Okay, so they say that they have sent the washi tape, which I was a little bit confused about it being in the box. I really didn't know like what I would use it for, but they have sent it so you can display your little print of your hexagon and succulent, or your other customizable print that you probably would want to hang up, or honestly anything. It's tape, just go nutty. Or is this an air plant too? I don't know, it looks very much like a succulent to me, but I know nothing about plants, so. So just a little bit about Parabo Box. It is a bi-monthly subscription, so it doesn't come every single month, it's every other month. It is also $39.99, but it does have free shipping, which is nice, to the United States and Canada, I believe. And the box is also like customizable to you. Basically what you do is you connect your Instagram, and you can pick what Instagram picture that you would like to be customized within your box. So every month they'll do like a different thing. Sometimes there are coasters, there's prints, there's framed photos, things like that. This month in my box, I'm pretty sure just for review purposes, I have received like a generic photo, which is actually probably good because I have like 0 high quality photographs on my Instagram that I would want to be put into this box, but you can choose any photograph that you want from your Instagram. I just don't take very good Instagram pictures. I just don't. So it's probably actually a good thing that I'm getting a generic photo this month for review purposes, because, you know, there's just nothing that pretty on my Instagram. And one thing I do think is interesting about Parabo Box is there is a refund option on there. If you get your box and you're just like, I don't like this at all, you can go to your page and request a refund, and you don't even have to ship like your box back. So I do like that they are giving you like a guarantee that you're gonna like what's in your box. I've actually filmed this portion after I did the entire unboxing because I realized I forgot to tell you guys like what the box is. My entire channel is based on unboxing things, and I'm still not very good at it. Alrighty guys, so that is everything. That was the entire unboxing. Let me know what you guys think about Parabo Box down below in the comments. I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions. And that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would really mean the absolute world to me. We're sneaking up on that 100,000 just a little bit, which would be super duper cool to hit. And I just hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!